This is our happy song. Take this ring and put it on a perfect fit. We can't go wrong. Hey, let's start.
Hello mga kabayan! Today I will show you kung saan kaming park madalas pumunta. Dahil school holiday ngayon, mas madalas kami sa park para makalabas si Lauren ng bahay. After ng trabaho, diretsyo na kami agad sa park para mag-enjoy siya at makapag-relax din kami. Most of the parks here are free access to the public. Parking lang ang kailangan bayaran kaya sulit talaga kapag pumupunta kami.
Hello guys! No bashing!
I told you, naiwan ko yung tumbler niya kahapon, hanggang ngayon nandito pa. Yeah, see? It's still here. Puro sand na. Lauren is there. Hi, Lauren! Yeah, I left it yesterday. It's still here. May water pa. Hugasan ko na lang.
One thing I really like about living here in the United Kingdom is the presence of so many parks. Kahit sa city kami nakatira, meron pa rin mga parks na pwedeng puntahan anytime.
Lauren, let's go now. Go to the slide now. Then we'll go na. Ready? Come on. Come on, ready? Ikaw ang mag-slide, hindi yung sand. Come on na. Okay, good job. 1, 2, 3, go! Well done! Okay, wear your shoes now. Your shoes is there. Lauren, we're going na.
It's late. No one's here.
It's night na.
Night time.
Oh, napuwing ka na.
Come on.
This is our third day in a row going to this park para maalis si Lauren because the whole day nasa bahay lang siya.
Lauren, where are we going?
Park!
Park! Yes, we're going to the park. This is another entrance going to the park. Dadaan tayo sa garden. Lauren, come on! Let's go, Daddy! Let's go, Lauren! See? Look at the flowers, Lauren. Look at the beautiful garden. Wow, nagpipiknik sila. Ang bango ng amoy. Ang bango ng flowers.
You see the park? To go down.
Go to the sand, Lauren.
Lauren.
This way, Lo. Walk properly. Walk properly. Look at the flowers, Lo. It's beautiful. Nakita niya na yung sand. Lauren, be careful. There's a bike. Ayan na. Happy siya. Excited. Natanggal na siya ng shoes. So, Lauren is here playing. Tapos, meron pa pala dito. Playground naman talaga. Proper playground na. They have swing, slides. Nice. So Lauren is there playing. And Daddy is... Where's Daddy? Yan, ayun siya. Kaantay kay Lauren. And tayo, explore natin. Laki pa nito eh. Medyo maaga kami ngayon. Kahapon we went here 8 o'clock PM. Imagine. Pero may ilaw, may liwanag pa nun. So now, it's a bit earlier, 6 o'clock. So mas maraming tao. Ang laki niya pa, oh. Dami pwedeng lakaran. Daming puno. Fresh ng air. Naamoy mo yung amoy ng puno. Tapos dito may lake pa. Puntahan natin yung lake. Sarap mag-jogging dito. May mga joggers. Ikot lang sila. Jogging lang sila. Palibot ng park. Surrounded by natural resources. Tapos dun sa bandang dulo dun, parang masyado nang maliit. Pero may mga benches, may mga tables para pwede ka mag-picnic. Sabi, no unauthorized access to the lake at any time. No swimming. Pero may mga nagsuswimming. Oh, wow. Meron. Bakit sila pwede mag-swimming? At may lifeguard. Baka around this time pwede mag-swimming. May lifeguard kasi. Oh, wow! Baka pwede mag-swimming dito si Lauren. Ganda. Oh, meron nila tayo dito. Oh, what's this? Oh my gosh. Yung mga naglalaro. Toys for the big boys. Oh my gosh, nag-race sila. Wow! Kakaliw. Wow! Oh my God. Napakayabang ng mga sasakyan. Oh, yan siya ulit. Oh my gosh, napapakain ng buhangin. Literal. Oh my gosh.
Habang pinapanood namin si Lauren na nag-e-enjoy maglaro, tumatakbo, nagsaslide at naglalaro sa sand, enjoy din kami ng husband ko. It's a good form of entertainment, exercise, and relaxation, not only for kids but for adults as well. Sometimes we don't need anything fancy, just fresh air, open space, at quality time together as a family. Kaya pag may free time kami, park day kaagad. Thank you for joining us today and thank you for watching.
Ready? Go. Lauren.